Welcome back to NextGen Motorhomes, the channel where luxury meets the open road and innovation turns travel into an experience. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about luxury RVs of the year, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. Cadillac has always been a name associated with premium comfort, bold design, and cutting-edge technology, and with this motorhome, they're clearly aiming to redefine what high-end road travel looks like. So settle in. Imagine yourself cruising down endless highways, and let's explore this motorhome from the outside in, covering design, interior luxury, performance, technology, and of course, pricing. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. This doesn't look like a traditional boxy RV. It looks like something straight out of the future. Cadillac's signature design language is instantly recognizable here. The front fascia is bold and confident, with a wide illuminated grille inspired by Cadillac's electric vehicle lineup. Vertical LED light signatures frame the front, giving it that unmistakable Cadillac presence even from a distance. The body lines are smooth and aerodynamic, reducing wind resistance while giving the motorhome a sleek, almost yacht-like profile. The paint options are equally impressive, ranging from deep metallic blacks and silvers to pearl whites and custom two-tone finishes. Large panoramic windows are seamlessly integrated into the body, offering both style and functionality. These windows are tinted for privacy and heat reduction, yet they allow plenty of natural light inside. Around the sides, flush storage compartments maintain the clean look while providing massive cargo space for long trips. At the rear, the design remains refined, with modern LED taillights and subtle Cadillac badging that reinforces the luxury identity without being overly flashy. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome truly separates itself from the competition. The interior feels less like an RV and more like a high-end luxury apartment on wheels. Cadillac has focused heavily on materials, comfort, and spatial flow. Soft-touch leather surfaces, real wood accents, brushed aluminum trims, and ambient LED lighting work together to create a warm yet modern atmosphere. The cockpit area is designed for both driver confidence and comfort. The driver and passenger seats are fully adjustable, heated, ventilated, and even offer massage functions. The digital instrument cluster is large and crystal clear, displaying everything from speed and navigation to vehicle diagnostics and driving modes. A massive curved touchscreen stretches across the dashboard, integrating infotainment, climate controls, navigation, and motorhome system management into one intuitive interface. Cadillac's latest voice assistant is built in, allowing you to control functions hands-free, perfect for long drives. Moving into the living area, the sense of space is impressive. Thanks to clever slide-out sections, the interior opens up significantly when parked. The main lounge features plush seating that can easily convert into additional sleeping space if needed. The seating is arranged to encourage conversation and relaxation, with a large smart TV mounted in a perfect viewing position. Surround sound speakers are subtly built into the walls and ceiling, creating an immersive entertainment experience whether you're watching movies or listening to music. The kitchen is fully equipped and designed for real cooking, not just reheating meals. You get a premium induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, a full-size refrigerator, and plenty of counter space. The cabinetry is beautifully finished and soft close, giving that premium home-like feel. There's also a stylish dining area that comfortably seats multiple people, making it ideal for family meals or entertaining guests on the road. The bathroom continues the luxury theme. Instead of the cramped RV bathrooms many people are used to, this one feels surprisingly spacious. A glass-enclosed shower, modern fixtures, high-quality materials, and smart storage solutions make it both functional and elegant. Some configurations even include a spa-style rain shower and heated floors, which is a game-changer for cold mornings during winter trips. The bedroom is where comfort truly shines. The master bed is large, supportive, and surrounded by premium finishes. Ambient lighting, large windows with blackout shades, and integrated storage create a calm, hotel-like environment. There's plenty of closet space for long journeys and additional smart features like USB ports, wireless charging pads, and a secondary control panel for lighting and climate settings. Now let's talk about performance, because luxury means nothing if the motorhome can't deliver on the road. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is powered by a next-generation powertrain designed for smoothness, strength, and efficiency. Depending on the configuration, you can expect a powerful turbocharged engine or a hybrid-assisted setup that balances performance with fuel efficiency. Acceleration is surprisingly smooth for a vehicle of this size, and highway cruising feels stable and confident. Cadillac has equipped this motorhome with advanced suspension technology, including adaptive air suspension that adjusts to road conditions in real time. This means bumps, uneven roads, and long highway stretches are handled with ease. Steering is precise, and advanced driver assistance systems help reduce fatigue on long drives. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking are all standard, making long journeys safer and more relaxing. One of the standout aspects is how quiet the cabin is while driving. Extensive sound insulation and aerodynamic design significantly reduce road and wind noise. This allows for normal conversation, music enjoyment, or simply peaceful silence while traveling, something that truly elevates the driving experience. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. Beyond the infotainment system, the motorhome includes a full smart home-style control system. You can manage lighting, climate, water levels, battery status, and even extend or retract slide-outs from a central screen or a mobile app. Solar panels on the roof, paired with high-capacity batteries, allow for extended off-grid camping without sacrificing comfort. There's also an onboard generator for backup power, ensuring you're prepared no matter where the road takes you. Connectivity is another strong point. High-speed Wi-Fi, multiple charging points, and seamless smartphone integration make it easy to work remotely or stay connected with family and friends while traveling. This motorhome truly supports the modern nomadic lifestyle. Now let's address the big question: price. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is clearly positioned in the premium luxury segment. Depending on customization, layout, and powertrain options, pricing is expected to start in the high six-figure range and can go well into seven figures for fully loaded versions. While this puts it out of reach for casual buyers, it's important to remember that this is not just a vehicle. It's a luxury home, a travel experience, and a statement of lifestyle. For those who value comfort, design, and cutting-edge technology, the price reflects what you're getting. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you take the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome on a cross-country adventure, or is it more luxury than you'd ever need on the road? Drop your opinion in the comments below, and if you're enjoying deep-dive motorhome reviews like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to NextGen Motorhomes so you never miss what's coming next. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome isn't just about traveling from point A to point B. It's about redefining what the journey feels like. From its bold exterior and ultra-luxurious interior to its smooth performance and advanced technology, it represents a new level of sophistication in the motorhome world. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and we'll see you again soon on NextGen Motorhomes.